Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com, and in this video we're going to be making a card with the Memories and More Magnolia Lane card kit, usually used for scrapbooking and memory keeping. It has 4x6 and 3x4 cards, along with some adhesive die cuts, and also I'm using these card bases that are extra large Memories and More, especially for this kit. Now you can see I added a 4x6 card, and now I have a 3x4 card mounted on some cardstock that coordinates with that. And then I'm going to put a piece of Whisper White on the inside and then just add some die cut adhesive stickers to decorate. And this card is going to be done. Beautiful envelope, and you're ready to go. Thanks so much for joining me. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com. See you again soon. Bye-bye.